Hello friends, welcome to our channel Priyanka Ma'am Physics. Like and subscribe my channel. Hello friends, now we have solved the next example, units and measurement topic. An object is falling freely under the gravitational force. Its velocity after traveling a distance h is v. If v depends upon gravitational acceleration g and distance, prove with dimensional analysis that v is equal to k under the root gh where k is constant. Now we have to start the solving of this example. We know that first we have to write the equation v is equal to k under the root of gh. V is the velocity, k is the proportionality constant, g acceleration due to gravity, and h with the height. Now first we are given the dimensions of these all quantities. H is the height related to term L. Length, their dimensions are L raised to 1. V is the velocity, their dimensions are L raised to 1, m raised to 0 and t raised to minus 1. Next, the dimensions of g. G is the acceleration due to gravity and their dimensions are L raised to 1, m raised to 0 and t raised to minus 2. Put these all values in this equation. Equation is again written as v is equal to k of under the root of gh. K is proportionality constant. It is a dimensionless quantity. Now, v, their dimensions are L raised to 1, m raised to 0 and t raised to minus 1 is equal to k of under the root of dimensions of g, L raised to 1, m raised to 0, t raised to minus 2. And don't know the power, we have to consider the value a. And the value of h, their dimensions are L raised to 1 and consider the power b. Now, first we have to solve the under root term. K under the root of their value is multiplied by 1 into a. So their power is L raised to a. M raised to 0 into a, their answer is 0. And t raised to minus 2 into multiplied by a, 2a. Now second bracket, L raised to 1 and 1 multiplied by b, their power is L raised to b. Solving these two terms, k of under the root of L raised to a and this is L raised to b, their power is L raised to a plus b, m raised to 0 and t raised to minus 2a. Comparing this value in this side, L raised to 1, m raised to 0 and t raised to minus 1. Comparing both sides. Now, L raised to a plus b and this side L raised to 1. Comparing these two terms as L raised to 1 and is equal to L raised to a plus b. So, a plus b is equal to 1. M raised to 0, m raised to 0 is cancelled out or neglect the term. This is t raised to minus 2b and this side t raised to minus 1 and this side t raised to minus 2a. So a plus b is equal to 1 and minus 1 is equal to minus 2a. Minus gets cancelled out and a is equal to 1 divided by 2. 2 is shifted in this way. Put this value of a in this equation. So equation is again written as half plus b is equal to 1. B is equal to 1 and this term shifted in this way. They have to convert their sign minus half and their answer is also half. So the power of a is half and b is also half. Put these two values in this equation. V is equal to k of under the root of g into h. Now the value of v is equal to k, g raised to half and h raised to also half because we know that the a and b. So v is equal to k half and half. So there we have to convert it into g under the root of g and h. Prove this formula, v is equal to k under the root g into h.